Hey guys, it is Karen. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a little bit of randomizing today. Okay, so I'm not as organized today because I just want things to kind of flow the way it's gonna flow. So first of all, I am working on a $10,000 challenge. Yay. And I only have 3 boxes filled so far. So literally just brand new. But I do want to go ahead and put $20 in. And I'm going to start using different colors so I know the particular color that I use was on a particular day. So one day I put $40 in, the next day I put $20 in. So now I want to put another 20 in, and this time I think I'm going to do a 10 and 2 5s. Okay. So, yay, guys, getting closer and closer and closer. I know it looks like a long way, and $10,000 is a lot of money, but I think this is a fun way for me to save. And because there's so many low denominations, I think that's going to motivate me even more. So I'm going to put that $20 in there and then put it to the side. And let's see here. I have some scratch offs that I'm trying to complete, and I would like to finish off a couple of them that only have one more. So last time though, guys, this really got me because I scratched off $60, okay? And yeah, so I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and get brave and scratch off this last. Can we see here? Okay. Scratch off the last scratch off, and that is $30, okay? But it is the last one, so I am glad I completed this challenge, okay? Another challenge completed. Now, guys, you know what? I think I want to go ahead 10, 20, 30. Guys, guess what? I'm going to go ahead and let me make sure I put this to the side though, just in case. I'm going to scratch this one off as well. Okay, because these numbers, they don't look as big as these. All right, so let me be brave. Okay, guys, $14. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. So, yay, I completed 2 challenges. All right, super cool. So that's $14, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. All right, guys. So, yay. Let me move these to the side because I completed these challenges. Now, let me add to what we have here. And then, let's see. I'm going to put this back. I'm not going to count it until I'm completely done with the challenges, okay? With the scratch offs, actually. So because I completed 2 challenges, I am going to add $2 to my box. So every time I complete a challenge, I'm going to add $1 to the box, similar to the ding, ding, ding. Just without the envelope, because since January, I've completed so many challenges. So I needed to rotate what I'm keeping the money in for every challenge completed. Okay. So what I want to do today is, I think, do I want to, let's see how much we have here. 1, 2, 10, Okay, $34. I have some mini challenges here, guys. Yeah, I have some minis here. So I do want to get started with the mini challenges. Uh-oh. And I want to start with these mini scratch offs. And go from there. I will be more organized next time, but let's see what we can do with, actually, let's see if we can complete some minis, okay? Guys, I'm a little, actually, I want to start those too. Okay, let's do some rolling saves. Budget with Carly, The Secret, Budgeter, and one more. Okay, I'm going to pronounce your name wrong, so I apologize in advance. Norillis Budgets, okay? So I'm going to put these to the side. I want to get these mini challenges completed and go from there. Now, guys, I owe 3, 4, 5, 6. I already owe $6 from this freebie with Amanda's Budgets. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're gonna put that to the side because I owe there. Now let's do some scratch offs for the minis. And then let's see what else we have after that. Okay, so this came as a gift, as a freebie when I ordered something from Mischief's Managed Budgets. And this came with my order. Okay, guys, so there's $4. One, two, three, and 4. Okay, and then, ooh, let's see. Let's scratch off. Let's, well, first of all, I'm going to say that this is completed. So with that being said, I do want to add another $1 to the box. Okay, so I'm going to put this one to the side and put another challenge. Let's see. I do have a mini from Rock's Budgets. And let's do one more, guys. Just one more. Come on, Karen, girl. Okay, what you doing? You could be a little bit more organized. Okay, guys, let's go with Pretty Girls Save. Super duper duper cute. All right, so let's just turn it into roll the dice. Okay, let's do that. So we have, oh, I think we have too many. Okay. So guys, let's go ahead and scratch off here for the scratch off. So we have 5. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So we keep the scratch off to the side. Okay. Now let's see how many we can, how much we can save with the remaining of our funds, which is not a whole lot, but it can at least get us started. Okay. I'm going to roll with my left hand, even though I'm a righty, just because I already have everything set up and I don't want to, you know, get unorganized. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oh, wait, guys. Let's set that to the side. Remember, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 actually goes here because we're not done with this challenge yet. So that's 6. All right. Great. So we're already starting with something. All right. So what I am going, yeah, that's what we're going to do. What I just said. Okay. So okay. Actually, I'm going to have to shift to, yeah, that's what we're going to do. All right. And 6. Okay. 5. All right. 6. Okay. 1. Okay. 3. Okay, we have 2 more rows. Yay. So everyone got love. So let's see where the last $2 is going to go. Okay, it's going to go towards number 1. So very good. I'm very happy that I did it this way because I didn't know what I was going to do, to be honest, guys. So I think it all worked out. Everyone got some love. And we are going to go from, oh, no. 4 didn't get any love. But I already started with $6. So, I mean, technically, Amanda's budget, so technically did get some love. Okay, so we have $2 for Rock's budgets. So we're going to put a 2 there, and I'm going to make each circle worth $2. Okay. Then we have Pretty Girl Say. We have $4. So we do not have a 4 here. And if you know me, I do not like to save money for the next time. So since all I can afford, well, you know what, guys? These numbers are really big. So never mind. I am actually just going to leave the $4 here until we can stack up on some more dollars. Okay? So this isn't really many. It's really a whole lot, but I'm going to leave it with many because of the size. Okay, 2 for $6 and 2 for $6. We just need 2 more dollars to complete this challenge here. Okay, and then we have $2 for the secret budgeter. So $2 in this circle. And then our last but not least challenge, Budget with Carly, has $4. And here's 2 and 4. So very good, guys. So I am going to figure out how I'm going to organize these since we are currently working on the ones that's in front of us. And I did actually complete. We're still working on the scratch off. So let me put $5. 1, 2, 3, 4. $5 with the scratch off. And we did complete this challenge, right? And I put $1 into the completed challenge fund. So I'm going to put the completed scratch off away. And we have actually $4 in the pot. So that's what I'm going to do with that until all of the challenges are, well, no. No. Karen, get your life together, girl. I'm going to keep this to the side until all of the challenges are completed. However, I do know that I put the $1 in for the completed challenges. Okay, so that's how we're going to do that. So when we come back, when I do the next mini savings, I'll start with what I have here. Whew, guys. Okay, it was not all of that serious. So hopefully you all were able to follow along and I didn't confuse you as much as I confused myself. Okay. I am looking forward to 400 subscribers, guys. I'm so excited. So if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. And I'm looking forward to giving away that freebie that's coming soon. So talk to you soon, guys. Bye.